Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You have the JSON file and you want to view it now. First, confirm the exact path and that the file ends in JSON, then open it with a plain text editor or a dedicated JSON viewer. Use a lightweight tool like Notepad++ or VS Code so you can see raw structure immediately. Once the file is open, scan the top-level keys to understand the shape. If you need read-only safety, copy the file to a temp folder before proceeding. Now format and inspect the content so you can read meaningfully. Use a pretty print or format command to expand nested objects and arrays. This makes commas and braces obvious. Next, run a linter or the editor's JSON parser to flag syntax errors, because viewing broken JSON hides structure. Then, search specific keys or use a structure pane to jump between nodes. Make sure to check large arrays for truncation and inspect. Finish by saving or exporting the view you need. Choose UTF-8 and keep a copy of the original file. If you need tabular data, export selected nodes to CSV or JSONL for spreadsheets. Once done, close temporary copies and document any transformations. If things go wrong, one key troubleshooting step is to copy a small fragment of the file and validate that fragment with a linter. This isolates syntax issues and prevents wasting time on very large files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.